At Origami Pop Cards, we're going to show you how to assemble an Origami Butterfly Card. When you purchase the origami kit, this is what you receive. There are 7 pieces that need to be put together. The first step is to locate the opposite butterfly wings. The next step is to ensure that you've got the wings in the right arrangement. Insert the right hand side wing into the left hand side wing from the bottom. Checking the arrangement is right, then remove. Now do the same on the other side. Take the right hand side butterfly wing and insert it in the left hand side butterfly wing from the bottom to confirm the configuration is correct. Then remove. Next step is to locate the 2 lining papers. Ensure the slots are opposite each other, with the flower on the right hand side. The next step is to locate the right hand side butterfly wing. Pick up the right hand side insert. You will see a slot. Insert the white cardboard into the slot and stop where you see a small cut. Fold the butterfly, ensuring that the white cut is still exposed within the cardboard, so you can see white cardboard. Turn over and glue the flap down. Now do the same thing with the left hand side butterfly wing. Locate the left hand side insert, find the top slot, insert into the slot and fold at the cut. Allow for exposed white cardboard inside where the cut is. Now turn over and glue. It is now time to assemble the second butterfly. Starting with the right hand side butterfly, locate the right hand side lining paper, find the insert into the insert, fold at the cut, ensuring that there's a small amount of white cardboard inside the lining paper where the cut is. Turn over and glue to the lining paper. Do the same step with the left hand side butterfly wing. Locate the left hand side insert, find the slot, insert the white cardboard into the slot where you'll find a cut, stop at the cut, fold over, ensuring that a small amount of white cardboard is exposed at the cut. Turn over and glue Now locate the cover of the card, open the cover up, Locate the right hand side lining paper and place it on the cover. Do the same with the left hand lining paper and place it on the cover. Now time to connect the butterflies together. Starting with the top right hand side butterfly, connect together from the bottom, inserting into the top of the left hand side butterfly until they're fully connected. Do the same with the bottom butterfly. Start from the right hand side butterfly, connect from the bottom until they're fully inserted together and hold together stably. The next step is to glue the lining paper onto the card. Gently fold the two butterflies together. It is now time to glue the lining paper to the card. Use a generous amount of glue, starting from the edges of the card, going all the way around the edges. Now put glue in the center. And now do the same on the other side of the cover. Glue around the edges. Now get the insert of the card and carefully glue it to the cover. Now it's very important that in the center that there's a gap so you can actually see the dark blue exposed. The reason for this is if you do not see the dark blue exposed, the card will not fold inwards. So have a small border around the outside. So start with the corners, glue to the card so you can see a small border, so you can see a bit of blue exposed. Carefully stretch the card into position, and once again in the center there, it's very important you can see exposed the dark blue so the card can fold together. Now allow time for the glue to dry. The final step is to glue the two bodies of the butterflies together. Use a small amount of glue. Then glue both sides of the body together. Until they're attached. Do the same on the other side. Attach both of the butterfly bodies together. Use a small amount of glue on each side and then attach them together. Close the lid to make sure they're attached and they fold neatly together. And there you go. You have created and assembled your own origami butterfly card. Well done.